So, day after day at the moment, I'm getting a lot of messages about this free VPN. Award VPN, many of you used a long time. I used to be involved with them. I took a step back from the day-to-day with them, and they have changed a lot of things about it. What I'm going to run through today for you is how to make it work and how to still use it, because I get so many messages, and I can hopefully direct you in the right places to send those messages and not to me. So, what is Award VPN? Award VPN is a free VPN which is installable on your Fire Sticks, your Android devices, mobile phones, even a PC version. And this one works, and you have to generate yourself a PIN to use it. Okay, so before I generate that PIN and show you how to use it, if you are new here, do remember to hit that follow button. We will keep you up to date with everything streaming, whether it's how to stream things, how to watch things, whether it's Fire Sticks, streaming devices, VPNs, all that, all on one thing for you. Okay, so hit that follow button no matter which platform you're watching on. And this is how we use Award VPN since they've made the changes. So you click it and you need to get your PIN. So to get your PIN, you can go to the website on either your mobile phone you're using or on a PC. First of all, I'll demonstrate on a PC. So we can go to their website. Here it is. Get your 6-hour access PIN. So for those who haven't used it before, the access PIN lasts for 6 hours. And after that, you need to come and get another PIN again. So on your phone or on your computer, you can scroll down to get PIN. Okay. And then we scroll down and there's a generate PIN button. So this is where things have changed. The generate PIN used to do a little pop-up, and that pop-up would allow you to wait 10-15 seconds and then the PIN would generate. Now they're clearly using different ads, and it pops up saying to get your PIN, reach the target page, complete the following steps, complete the survey. Okay, so the simplest way to do this without having any issues I've found is if you click complete the survey, whatever comes up, you can just close and then wait. So if you do that on your phone or your mobile phone, when you get to the page, I'll see if I can get the page quickly for you to show you. Let's get a PIN on my phone as well. So when you get to the page, you just wait. You see that spinning circle? And you just keep waiting. You don't have to keep clicking complete survey or anything like that. And what will happen in a minute, it will change colour. Okay? It can take up to about 30 seconds. And we wait. And we wait. And it will turn green in a second. I think it takes a bit too long sometimes. And there we have it. It does take a little bit of time, but it will get there. And then you can just click on the done. And that will take us back, and we've got our PIN. So this PIN here can now be entered into your device. Same on your phone. Let me see if I can show you easier. On your phone, you can click the generate PIN. You get the pop-up like this. Click on complete the survey. Not in very good focus there. Whatever comes up, just click back. And you can do it that way. Same again. Okay, so generate PIN. Complete survey. And then you get the spinny. And then you just wait till it turns green by pushing back. Okay, you wait and wait and wait. And let's go back onto here. This is our Fire Stick, so we can put the code in I just got, which was U2NXRW. RW. Click next, and we can connect to the VPN. And there we go. And there we go, we are connected. Okay, and you can change servers if you want to. There's loads of servers in here, and different ones, whatever you might want it for. And as it stands, Award is still probably one of the best free VPNs out there. Obviously, they're making it very tricky, but they've got to pay for their servers. Servers are expensive. It's kind of why I took a step back. So to keep it free, they need to use certain ads, and that's just how it's working. But again, if you're not interested in a free VPN, it isn't a lot to get a proper VPN, you know, a paid for one. And obviously, IP Vanish is as cheap as $2.19 a month at the moment. So if you're worried about that, $2.19 a month, there's your option as well. We will link that underneath, as well as I will link underneath Award VPN socials, so you can go and check them out, and you can pass anything you want to onto them, okay? Or if you look on their website, I believe there's a contact. Well, there used to be. Maybe they take, oh no, down the bottom here. So you've got a Facebook, Twitter, and a YouTube. Give it a whirl. Let me know what you think. Try that way out. It looks like, I think that wait time is a bit too long, so I'm going to reach out to them, you know, see if they change it, but, you know, it's nothing to do with me anymore. so we'll see. So if you want to get paid one, there's one underneath. Hit that thumbs up, hit that like, hit that share, so more people who can see this video would be helpful, because then they might stop messaging me. I've been Doc Squiffy. Thank you all for watching. If you're new here, hit that follow button, hit that subscribe if on YouTube, hit follow if on other platforms, and I'll see you soon.